Alright, so in this video we are going to see how we can read a line only from the text file. Basically, I will start a new file which is here, and I will say that line read.py, and I will start a main method, and in file will be open so we have firstly the data, and we want to read it, so I will say R only, and line 1 will be in file, so which is the file object, and read line 2 will be in file dot read line. So this read line function will read only one. So this line 1 will be read and stored. The text in the first line will be stored to line 1, and the text in the line 2, the second line, will be stored in line 2. Then after processing the data, we should close the in file dot close. Then we can print the line 1, print a new, what we have here. So let's type it correctly, print new line, and other time print line 2. We can finally call the main function by saying main like this. Let's go to the commander and open this file or run this file. So I will say that we have Python line read.py. So we have here typed this value, which is student 1 and the student 2. Basically, and actually you have this student 1 and the student 2 in the text to be sure that I have this in my file. So we are dealing with this data text file, and in the first line we have student 1, and in the second line we have the student 02, and we have run it correctly. I hope this video was useful. In the next video we are going to see how you can write names and write a lot of data to the text file.